So let us come to the chapter. Our chapter is tournament, right? The first part and last part I have already explained to you. Let us do the section part B. The part B is all about fixture or knockout fixture. So the topic here. The topic here is draw a knockout picture of 11 teams. Now here in this question, two things are very important: knockout and fixture. What is knockout? Knockout is a tournament or a match played when a team loses, gets eliminated and doesn't get another chance. That's called knockout, out of the tournament. And what is fixture? Fixture is a document or a flow chart where a team or a player gets before the match and he comes to know which match is going to be played with whom, what time the match is, how many rounds are there, how many matches he has to play to win the tournament. That's the fixture. Yeah? One more thing you must know before solving this problem. You must know what the meaning of bye. Here bye means a privilege given to a team who does not play the first round. Directly they play second round. It's a privilege. They don't play the first round, they play second round. Yeah? So, let us solve this problem now. So 11 team. So number of team n. We call team as n. N is called team. Number of team 11. So 11 is an odd number. Clear? So it's simple. The number of teams in the upper half. We have two halves while teaching by making the picture. The upper half, number of teams in the upper half, n plus 1 divided by 2. That is 11 plus 1 divided by 2 equals to 12 by 2 equals to 6. Now number of teams in the lower half, n minus 1 divided by 2. So 11 minus 1 divided by 2, you get 10 by 2 equals to 5. So we have 16 in the upper half and 5 in the lower half. Now we come to the most important part of this picture, bye. Now we are taking byes. Now how many byes are there in this 11 team? How many teams will get the bye? We have to calculate them. For this you have to take the power of 2. See here? Or the power of 2. 2 to the power of 1 is 2, 2 to the power of 2 is 4, 2 to the power of 3 is 8, 2 to the power of 4 is 16, 2 to the power of 5 is 32. Now we have to go to the closest to the 11 number of team. Closest part is 11. At 11 or more than 11, but not less than 11. So we take 2 to the power of 4 equals 16. Clear? So number of byes 16 minus number of team. 16 minus number of team equals to 5. So we have 5 byes in this tournament of 11 players, 11 teams. The number of rounds, highest power of 2. So you saw number of rounds 2 to the power of 4, 16. This 4. So we will have 4 to the power of 4 with 4 rounds. So we will have 4 rounds. Yeah, number of matches in the tournament. Very simple. 11 minus 1, n minus 1. How much tournaments players are there? So team is there, 11 team. So n minus 1. That is 11 minus 1, 10. It's very simple. How many teams are there? Minus 1. So many matches we played in this tournament. Clear? So once again I am going to repeat bye. Number of byes is calculated by the power of 2. Which is close to 11. Number of teams which is close to 11. And little more than 11. But not less than 11. So 8 is less. 2 to the power of 3, 8 is less. 2 to the power of 4 is little more than 11. So that's why we take 2 to the power of 4, 16. So 16 minus number of team equals to 5. So we have 5 byes. Students, we solved this matter of 11 team. This is the solution. This can be written by pen. Clear? Now the next part, we make the picture. Clear? Okay students, now we come to make the picture. How we make the picture? So we saw full, we have 11 teams. So I named the team 1 to 11. You can write the team name also. You can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 also. And this 11 team, they are made in this order by lottery system. By lottery, this team put in order. Now let us do the picture. Now it's 11 team. Number of teams in the upper half, 6. Number of teams in the lower half, 5. So upper half will have 6 teams, lower half will have 5 teams. So I make one, divide one line here to divide the top group and bottom group. Upper half, yes, upper half, lower half. Here, so I divided the upper half and lower half now. Now next we got byes. Now how will I give the byes? There are 5 byes, total 5 byes. Here, total 5 byes are there. Now how I will allot this bye to these teams? There is a formula. The first by is given to the last team of the lower half. The second byte is given to the first team in the upper half. In the first round. This is the first round there. First round. Here, first byte is the last team of the lower half. Second byte is the first team of the upper half. Then third byte is given to the first team of the lower half. And the next byte is given to the last team of the lower half. And then the fifth byte again comes down simultaneously to the last team or the second last team of the lower half. So I'll explain once again how the bytes are given. The bytes are 5, there are 5 bytes. So the first byte is given to the last team of the lower half. The next byte is given to the first team of the upper half. The third byte is given to the top team of the lower half. And the fourth byte is given to the last team of the upper half. And then the fifth byte again come back down to the last team of the lower half. This is how you get the byte. So these teams won't play the first round. Here, now who play the first round? 2 will play with 3, first round. 4 will play with 5, first round. 8 will play with 9, first round. So first round is going on here. Now the second round, now team 1 will play the second round. The winner of 1 and 2 will play with team 1. They got the point in the first round. The winner of 2 and 3 will play the match number 1. Then winner of 4 and 5 will play the second round with number 6. You got to buy the first round. So same thing here. 7 will play with the winner of 8 and 9. And he got 5, so he will play the second round directly here. Second round, this is called second round. Second round. Then of course someone has to win, I think, that upper tournament who lose out of the match, out of the tournament. So winner of this will be, suppose here, who won, suppose team 2 won, suppose. Okay, here this played, this team won, suppose 6 won. Here 4 and 5 played, suppose 4 won, 2 and 3 played, suppose 2 won. Clear? Now here also, suppose 8 and 9 played, 8 won. Then 7 played with 8, 7, suppose 7 1 here. Same here, suppose 10 1 here. Nice. So second round over, these are the 4 teams come to second round. Third round, this team will play with this team. So 2 will play with 6 and 7 will play with 10. Suppose the winner here is 7, suppose 7 is the winner. And suppose here 2 is the winner. Now 2 and 7 is the final. And suppose who wins? 7 wins, suppose. So 7 is the winner. Here, once again repeat. First you divide the bytes, allot the bytes properly. Then others will play the first round. Here, and who win the first round will play the winner of the first round will play with the byte here. Like this, and then who wins? We have write the names here, number, and then here. So you see, we had one first round, second round, third round, and after the final is the fourth round. So we did have 4 rounds here. Exactly we said here. How many rounds are there? 4 rounds here. First round, second round, third round, 4 rounds. And number of matches we calculate will be exactly 10 matches in this tournament. Today this is the way you make the picture. And the winner is declared here. Now once again I like to repeat, the byte and the picture is a very important part of this question. Clear? Now this picture you must make with scale. I did it up here with scale and pencil. Whereas this you did with pen, the solution. But the picture should be made with pencil and scale, with proper lining. So, all the best for today. Take care of yourself, take care of your health, be safe, okay, and have a nice day.